Hello, I'm Sophie D'Souza, Sophie Stained Glass. Welcome. Please check out the many videos all about architectural glass. Today I'm fitting a window. I'm not going to film the fitting because there's lots of videos up of me fitting windows, but it needed a different strengthening solution because there wasn't enough room in the rebate for the panel and a strengthening bar. So I'm just going to show you how to get around that problem. So I hope you find this helpful. Thank you. So this is my solution to surface mounting a strengthening bar. It's a 6mm square bar. I am just stepping it down into the rebate at the end, and I'm drilling through, and it's going to be mounted into the surface of the door. So I'll just do a little video of me getting all sparky with my angle grinder while I do the other end, just to show you. So there is the other end, which is, as you can see, a lot longer than the first end, and that's because this end, I want it to sort of go over the damaged bit of the door and be screwed into a sound bit of wood. So that did take me quite a long time. So there we go. That is the square steel fitted. This is patina. Because these wires are tinned, it will turn them nice and black and discreet. And that's it really. So there's a nice little solution to fitting a steel bar when there isn't enough room in the rebate for a bar and a window. So thank you for watching. Yes, don't be afraid of the sparks. Embrace the sparks. And yes, please like, comment and subscribe.